And we are live! Hello mga kakwento! Good morning sa Michigan and sa New York. Good afternoon and good evening sa Pinas, wherever you are tuning in. Or to those who will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, and the face behind Life with Lur business page, and now a proud digital business owner. Tonight, nakaka-excite talaga because we have two special guests, both fellow Filipinas, devoted moms, a healthcare worker, and a nanny like many of our Filipino fellow kababayans in the US of A. But what makes their story inspiring? They said yes to change and yes to new opportunities. And now they have been running their digital business and are proud digital business owners. So I will put them on stage. Let's all welcome Marichu and Glenda. Marichu and Glenda. Please introduce
He-
yourself. Thank you.
hello. Good morning. Good morning here in Michigan. By the way, this is Mary Chu coming live to you from Michigan, USA. So magandang umaga, magandang gabi in the Philippines, or good morning from other part of the world. So thank you, Lori, for having me today.
You're welcome.
Wow, this is actually amazing because you are from the Philippines and I'm from the other part of the world. So by the way, just wanna
Mm-mm.
introduce a little bit about my background. So my name is Mary Chu and I am married. I reside in Michigan for, oh boy, I stopped counting, but I would say I'm over 20 years here in Michigan. Um, a healthcare worker. Before I started this amazing opportunity online, I was actually tatlo-tatlo yung caregiving job ko. So, yes, it's been my journey here. It's been amazing. So, yun. May nakalimutan pa ba ako? Shout out pala sa mga Bisaya. Bisaya ko, taga Davao. So, shout out diha sa mga taga Davao. And also, of course, we are all over the world, right? Filipinos,
Yes.
especially, it's all over the world. So, shout out sa mga Bisaya, sa mga Tagalog diha.
How about you, Glenda? Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi everyone, happy Saturday, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever part of the world you are watching and going to watch this replay. So my name is Glenda. I am also Filipina. I am originally from the Philippines and I am a single parent actually. I have four children, adult children, and now living here in New York. I work here as a nanny and I've been in this business for almost 3 years. And the journey is so far so good. Medyo maganda talaga ang journey na to.
Okay,
That's
thank you
it.
so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here, Glenda and Marichu. So we'll dive in to our question. So yung first question ko sa inyo, what made you decide to start this business?
Gusto mo mauna ako, Glenda, or ikaw?
Doesn't matter. You can go ahead.
Okay. So, sa akin naman, yung pinaka-why ko, bakit ako nag-start dito sa business. Um, First of all, no, kung marami tayong, like, somebody like me, na I work three caregiving jobs. So, iniisip ko noon, sabi ko, Lord, can I do this job, three job? So, I'm not getting young, no? So, salamat naman nakita ko itong business na to. Of course, iniisip ko din na if I continue doing my caregiving job, I'm thinking about, I don't have time for myself. I don't have time for my family. And maalala ko nung, when I did my three job, coming home, it was very hard for me. Kasi I was present with my family. Pero physically I was present, but mentally not. So, kaya that's my biggest why, my family and of course um, time for myself. At saka itong business na to, it offers us, me especially, flexibility. Kasi pwede natin gawin kahit saan, wala tayong schedule, wala tayong sinusundan na schedule. We are in our own boss. At saka meron tayong tinatawag na automation. Ginagamit natin yung automation. So, ibig sabihin kahit natutulog tayo, umaandar yung business natin as long as we keep plugging into the system. Um, Yun. At saka walang deadline. Okay? Hindi kagaya ng, you have a regular job, nagka-clock in, ka-clock out. Ito wala. You have your own time. You can do it on your own term.
Yes, very flexible, di ba? How about you,
Yeah.
Glenda? Thank you for that, Marichu.
Yeah, sa akin naman kung bakit ako nag-decide to join this business, as I was saying, I am a single mom of four. So, nung nawala way back 2019, when my husband passed away, so sabi ko, ano na lang to, wala talaga akong plan B. Kasi ang nakarely lang ako na we can be like, uh, ano namin yung, mapapagtulungan namin yung pangangailangan ng aming apat na anak. So, nung nawala siya, I was like, talagang hindi ko alam kung saan ako mag-uumpisa. Thankfully, kasi nagtatrabaho talaga ako nung nawala siya, nagtrabaho ako ng 7 days a week para lang masustain yung pangangailangan ng aking mga anak. So, nag-pray talaga ako kay Lord. Ayoko maging emotional kasi every time na kinikwento ko yung story ko na emotional ako. So, nag-pray talaga ako kay Lord na sabi ko bigyan ako ng way na makahanap ako ng eksang pagkakakitaan just to supplement the needs of my four kids. So, thankfully, nakita ko tong ad sa YouTube about this online business. Of course, sa una, naging skeptical din ako dahil I don't have any business background. But,
Mm.
yun, nung nakapasok ako dito sa community, doon ko nakita yung potential ng business na to. So, yun, kaya ako nakapag-join dito sa business na to.
Wow, thank you so much. That's so inspiring. Yung second question ko, what has changed what has changed in your life or personality because of this business? Napansin ko talaga yung itong community natin, 'di ba? Ang daming growth, not just financially, but also personally. So paano kayo na-transform bilang isang tao dito sa business na 'to simula nung nag-start kayo?
Sa akin, yung what change, oh my God, so much. Like personal growth. At saka ang dami kong nakilala sa community natin na I would never thought I would. Kasi isipin mo, sila yung they're in a higher, rank. Tapos they are very, very fortunate na, bababa sila na tulungan tayo yung mga strategies nila, ganyan. But for me is more time for my family and for myself. At saka yung the biggest thing for me is after few months na nag-start ako sa business na to, I was able to quit my two caregiving jobs. Yun ang the
Wow.
biggest change sa akin. So, no more working overtime, you know, like no more working overtime just to survive and to pay bills. So now I can go anywhere. I to right now we are camping and I can navigate this business. So for you out there, maybe you are looking for something na pwede mong pagkakitaan online, na kung meron ka namang cellphone, meron kang gadget, meron kang internet connection, this actually would work for you. So I know sometimes you are hesitant, but check this out. It's been amazing. It's amazing opportunity.
Yes, I agree to that talaga. Thank you for that, Marichu. Ikaw naman, Glenda, ano yung nag-change sa personality mo because of this business, sa life mo, your personality?
Yeah, it's life, personal and business. So, I've learned so much talaga through this business. Personally, na-gain ulit yung confidence ko. Dati kasi nung nawala yung asawa ko, which is siya yung aking supporter, na parang nawala yung confidence ko sa sarili ko na sabi, wala na magba-back up sa'yo. Nung naka-join ako dito sa community, nabalik yon. Natuto ulit akong mag-show up, natuto ulit akong lumabas sa comfort zone ko, which is very important dito sa business na to. Marami akong naging friends, kagaya nyo, nandito ngayon, na isi-share yung story natin, na share natin yung business natin. So maraming nabago. Sa business naman, natuto akong mag-navigate ng computer. Dati kasi ang alam ko lang, copy and paste. Talagang literal
Hmm.
na copy and paste lang. So nung nag-join ako dito sa business ako, marami akong natutunan. Hindi lang pala kailangan mag-copy-paste. Marami sa technology ngayon, nag-evolve din talaga tayo tungkol dito sa patungkol dito sa business na to.
Yeah, totoo. Ako din, talagang hindi naman ako tech savvy. Tapos, yung ano talaga, yung personal growth talaga, yun yung number one na super saya ko. Kasi parang, alam mo yun, nag improve ako as ano, yung unang-una as a person. Kasi ang dami mo talaga matututunan na mga bagay-bagay, di ba? Tapos yung third question ko, thank you for that, Glenda. Yung third question ko, how do you respond when someone tells you na this is a scam. Pero let's be real, 'di ba? Marami talaga mga skeptics na tao, 'di ba? Maraming skeptical. So what can you say or what do you say or do kapag may nagme-message sa inyo na ay scam 'yan? How do you handle that?
Sis, ma-add ko lang dun sa ano, sa kanina question mo. Kasi sinasabi natin na dito, for transparency dun sa mga audience natin na gustong mag side hustle or, baka gusto nilang extra income. So, masasabi ko lang na ang system natin, kaya sinasabi natin na, you don't have to be a tech savvy. Kasi yung system natin, it's already done for us. So, at saka meron tayong comprehensive training na pwedeng, na-design pala sa even if you don't have experience on running the business. It could be traditional or online. So kaya napakaganda ng system natin at platform natin kasi it designed to anybody, all walks of life. Pwede. Kaya nga tayo wala tayong kagaya ni Glenda. I don't know about you kung meron kang experience running the business, but I didn't.
Natin.
So yes, so it depends sa tao kung how fast you can learn the system, but the system is already there. At saka nandito kami, nagme-mentor kami, so hindi ka namin papababayaan. Ito yung ginagawa namin ngayon online, kaya kami nag-show up dito pretty much every day para i-share namin sa inyo na this business is for everyone. Yun.
That's
So,
right.
yung question mo naman, yung next question mo is about scam. So, ang masasabi ko lang dito, no, um, kahit anong business or anything new na if you wanna get into, you have to be cautious. Okay? So, research before trusting. Kasi, isipin mo sa online ngayon, especially sa online, um, in today's world, especially with so many ways to make or to earn extra income. So, ang masasabi ko lang, check it out. Sa business naman namin, meron kaming ino-offer na um, complimentary webinar. So, yung complimentary webinar namin, sinasabi namin is complimentary kasi uh, it's free. Okay? So, hindi ka mafo-force na mag-join ka kaagad. Titingnan mo muna yung business kung para ba sa iyo or hindi. Okay? So, what makes our a business scam or legit? Number one, we are registered to government. Number two, we pay taxes. Anything that we use for our business. Like for example, itong mga gadget natin, itong mga ginagamit natin, yung wifi natin, right? Um, it's a tax write-off. So, Yon, mga utilities natin.
That's right.
Yes,
How
kasama
about
siya
you,
sa
Glenda?
tax, 'di ba? How about you, Glenda? Thank you for that, Marichu.
Yeah, ano talaga 'yan, sa akin naman for me is, naintindihan ko yung concern nila kasi online business nga tayo. For me, gano'n din ang naramdaman ko nung dati ako, gano'n din ang katanungan ko nung nag-umpisa ako dito. Ito kaya ay scam or legit kaya ito? Gano'n din ang katanungan ko dati. Pero I do my research, gano'n din ang kailangan nilang gawin, mag-research sila. Tapos do'n ko rin din nakita sa nung nag-sign in ako sa kanila, do'n ko rin nakita yung real people getting real results. So, do'n ko napatunayan na hindi pala scam ito. So ngayon, sa mga yung respond ko lang doon sa nagsasabing scam, for me, hindi siguro ako affected kasi alam ko kung anong business meron tayo. Ang masasabihin ko lang is to educate the people. Educate ko lang sila kung anong meron itong business na to, anong may potential itong business na to. Yun lang ang masasabi ko tungkol sa question mo yan.
Oo, at saka,
Yes.
it's okay to be skeptical. It's okay to be hesitated, okay? We want you to be like that. Kasi why would you want to jump into something na, you don't know yet, right? But also, you keep saying it's scam, but you're not taking action. You see what I mean?
Mm.
So
Yeah.
take action, research it, and hey, we're here. We are here.
Yes, normal talagang ano, normal talaga 'yan isipin scam. Ako same din kasi galing ako sa bank, 'di ba? So normal sa utak ko yung scam, yung fraud. So gano'n din, first reaction ko din scam 'yan. Pero I did my diligence and nung pumasok ako sa business, talagang nakita ko totoong tao, real results, real people, with real results talaga na nakaka-inspire. So
Oo.
for our viewers, sorry, nabubulol, who are watching or will watch the replay, if you can resonate with Marichu's story or Glenda's story, you can register on our website, which you can see on the screen, yung mga website natin, your name and email address lang to learn more. Okay, I'll go with our fourth question. Who inspires you in the most in this community, and how has this person helped you grow? 'Di ba ang sarap ng feeling na meron tayong community na talagang nagtutulungan tayo, na lahat tayo maging successful. So sino sa mga tao sa community natin yung na-inspire talaga kayo? And how did this person help you become the best version of yourself?
Okay, so the person I was inspired why I got into this business, first, yung naging coach ko ngayon. Kasi I was watching her story. Sabi ko, kasi ano din siya, nurse din siya, healthcare worker din siya. So, sabi ko, kung nakaya niya, na sabi niya wala siyang experience, makakayanan ko din. So, yan ang naging ano sa akin. So, ngayon na nandito na ako sa loob, oh my goodness, I cannot. I mean, it's the community. That's amazing. Our community is amazing. Napaka-generous. Our community is global. So kagaya natin ngayon, right? So ikaw nasa Pilipinas, si Glenda nasa New York, ako sa Michigan. So we can reach out to each other. So hindi ka nag-iisa. Ito lang ang pinakamaganda sa community natin. Hindi tayo nag-iisa dito. So doon sa mga hesitant na baka sasabihin nila na ay wala akong experience, hindi ko alam, don't worry. Our community, all you have to do to reach out. Okay? Meron kang mentor na gagabay sa iyo step by step. Meron kang coach na nag-strategize ng business mo. Meron din tayong mga like-minded people dito sa community natin na nag-share sila at least twice a week. Nag-share sila ng mga strategies nila para tulungan tayo at ma-apply natin sa business natin. So, in other words, you are not alone in this business. So, your success is our success.
Hmm, true. Thank you for that, Marichu.
Ikaw
How about
naman,
you, Glenda? Sinong inspiration mo? Ako marami, sobra.
Sa akin naman, para sa akin, the whole community, yung sinabi mo nga, lahat ng community. Pero yung sa akin, being a single mom, masasabi ko si Radwan. Kasi being a
Oh,
single
wow.
mom na napaka-tough niya, na single mom din siya, na paano niya ninanavigate yung business na to, na being a single mom, yung kanyang consistency nandoon, tapos yung kanyang puso talaga na nandoon. Siya yung parang isa sa mga inspirasyon ko dito sa community. It's lahat ng nakatulong sa akin dito sa community. Especially yung friend ko, si Marichu, yung na-inspire din ako sa kanya kasi marami din akong natutunan sa kanya. Maraming tinuro sa akin na hindi ko na makakalimutan for
marami
the
din
rest
akong
of my
natutunan sa'yo.
journey dito sa business na 'to, marami siyang naituro sa akin nung nag-uumpisa pa lang ako. Kaya do'n sa mga hesitant o nag-aalala na kung kaya niyo 'to, kaya niyo gawin kahit na single mom kayo or parents kayo or juggling ng multiple jobs, makakaya niyo rin kasi lahat dito nagtutulungan, hindi ka nag-iisa. Kasi community lang mismo is marami ka ng mare-reach out na tulong, 'yun lang.
Yes, totoo. Ako din, sobrang dami kong inspiration. Habang tumatagal ako dito sa business, lalong dumadami yung mga nakaka-inspire na tao. Okay, I'll go with the question number 5. Thank you for that, Glenda. What's your advice to those who get excited to start the business but change their mind when they learn that they need to invest? Di ba may mga taong gustong mag-start, pero pag narinig nila, merong kapital, di ba? Umaatras sila. What would you like to tell them?
Okay, so doon sa mga fence setter, ang ma-advice ko, the biggest advice that I could tell them is take the leap of faith, okay? But do it wisely. Alam ko kung ano yung iniisip nila. Like, this would work for me, or um, ano bang tawag dyan? Oh my gosh, I can't. Um, yung bang like, can I do this, right? But here's the truth, guys, okay? If you never start, you will never know what's possible for you. Okay?
Yes.
So, sa ano naman namin, sa business naman namin, meron tayong tinatawag na yung webinar. Titingnan muna natin yung webinar. Meron kaming free webinar twice a week. So, titingnan mo muna yung overview ng business. So, ngayon, pag natingnan mo na yun, napanood mo na yun, and then you're thinking about, well, I wanna dig into deep, to this business because it sounds like it's good to be true. So, yan na yung initial na magbabayad ka ng 149. Okay? So, titingnan mo muna sa loob, maging ano ka na, part ka na ng pretty much ng community. Tapos, so then you decide with 149, you have a month. Okay? Tapos nag-decide ka na hindi is not for you, so then you will get your money back. Guarantee.
Yes, thank you for that, Marichu. Glenda, ano yung masasabi mo sa mga fence-sitter? Maa-advise mo dun sa mga takot silang gusto nila mag-start pero ayaw nila ng merong ilalabas na kapital or dun sa mga natatakot din mag-invest, yung parang, um, ano 'to, yung natatakot silang take ng leap of faith, natatakot silang mag-start. Ano yung maa-advice mo sa kanila?
Sa akin naman, as a single mom, I totally understand kasi every single matters ba? Yung mga lumalabas na pera is importante talaga. So, which is I get it. Pero, paano mo siya matututunan? Paano ka mag-invest? Kung natatakot ka mag-invest, paano mo malalaman kung ano yung growth na maibibigay nito sa iyo? Alam mo yon, yung kung hindi ka mag invest paano mo siya malalaman kung anong meron business na 'to. Kasi lahat naman talagang kailangan mo mag-take ng risk. Hindi po puwedeng kung gusto mo bago kahit ordinaryong bagay, kung hindi ka magte-take ng risk, hindi mo siya masusubukan, hindi mo siya malalaman. So, might as well na mag-invest ka na lang, parang makita mo yung growth, makita mo yung potential kung anong meron ito sa loob na kasi kailangan mo talagang mag-invest. Hindi po pwede kahit traditional business, kahit na magtinda ng asin, kailangan mo rin talaga magpuhunan. Magbibili ka ng Caltex para sa asin, para pantakal. So lahat talaga may investment. Yun lang, hindi lang talaga siya, itong business na to ay hindi lang siya get quick rich na kaagad is tutubo agad. Kailangan talaga ito ng pag-aralan, yung learning process is nandoon. Kailangan talaga yung commitment, yung matuto or willing kang matuto at matutunan itong business na to.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank
Very
you so
true.
much for that. Yes, thank you so much for that, Glenda. So sa mga nag-iisip, 'di ba, or natatakot, try niyong subukan, 'di ba? Kung para sa inyo 'tong business or not, 'di ba? At least na-try niyo, nasubukan niyo. Meron yung sinabi niyo nga na free webinar, 'di ba? So panoorin niyo muna yung free webinar and then if na-inspire kayo, just pay the $149. Then you will watch the pre-coaching video. So kung para sa'yo, you can start, 'di ba? Kung hindi para sa'yo, then you can refund it. Within 30 days, ibabalik po yung ano nyo, yung binayad nyo na 149 kung feel nyo na hindi para sa inyo yung business.
Yun lang ang
Ngayon,
pinakamaganda sa atin. Yun ang pinakamaganda sa business natin kasi hindi ka ma-force. Pinapatingin sa yung overview ng business. Tapos kung hindi naman sa that's fine. If it's good for you, so then go on.
Yeah.
mm
Kung sa tingin nila is talagang willing sila, nandito rin lang tayo parang magagabay sa kanila step by step. At saka meron tayong napakagandang training na madaling sundan, napaka video-based training na step by step is madali mong aralin, madali mong sundan. Basta yung puhunan mo lang, maraming puhunan, hindi lang pera, kundi yung sarili mo, yung time mo. Kung willing ka talaga mag-invest, time, kailangan mo, yung willingness mo na aralin itong business na to is kailangan meron ka noon.
'Di ba? Kung meron talagang will, talagang gagawin mo lahat ng paraan para matutunan mo, 'di ba? So,
Yeah.
Yes.
thank you so much, Marichu and Glenda. Meron pa kayo idadagdag?
Oh yeah, sa
Thank you so
mga sorry. Oh, sa mga nanonood diyan, check this business out. Kasi almost 2 years ago, I was doing three caregiving job, and I was able to quit my two other caregiving job. So yes, it's working. Okay, so yes, check mo lang.
Yes. Thank you so much, Marichu and Glenda. Thank you for sharing your story. Nakaka-inspire talaga, di ba? So your story proves na kahit healthcare worker, kahit nanny, kahit mom, kahit very busy ka, if you want change and you believe in yourself, you'll make it happen. So para
Yes.
sa mga viewers natin, if Marichu and Glenda can do it, ikaw din, kaya mo yan. You just have to trust, take the first step and grow from there. Thank you so much for spending your time with us tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of learning, and open our lives to true freedom. See you again on my next live for another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more, message us or you can sign up on our website. For my website, www.lauryramos.com. Kay Marichu, www.marichupriel.com, and then kay Glenda, www.glendabarcarse.com.
Airstream.com.
Barcar
Thank you
ba
for
tama ba?
having us, Mari.
Barcarse.com with your name and email to learn more. Thank you so much. God bless us all and good
Good
night.
night, Philippines.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.